Okay, welcome back, beautiful people of the interwebs. I'm here with the first ever TOUGE video of the M60 E30. So, not too much has changed since the last time you guys saw this video. I tried to film this video once before, but the audio was all fucked up and it wasn't a good video, so I didn't want to release that one, and I'm trying to make this one quickly before I leave, because I leave for Santa Barbara tomorrow morning. So not too much has changed. I've just like cleaned up some wiring, cleaned everything, just gave this thing a wash. So yeah, I think basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait until I can get the most room possible, because for some reason 9 is kind of busy right now. So I'm just gonna chill, wait a second, wait until there's a gap, and then we'll get right into it. Okay, so I'm hoping the audio is not going to be too bad, and it doesn't look like the road is 100% dry, so I'm not too stoked about that, but hopefully you'll be able to hear this sexy 4.4 liter V8 that's in this thing. So yeah, just get right into it. Rubbing a good bit, so that's that noise. God, this thing is just so fast compared to what it used to be. It's pretty crazy. Oh, and it's wet. Yeah, that's the one sketchy part I have to be really careful of. Real bad, holy cow. I definitely gotta fix that. And I'm not used to the manual brakes. That's still something I gotta get used to. In front of us now. Yeah, we might have to wait a second till I can pass the cars that are in front of me. Oh, there's a triple line. Oh no. Oh, this guy's being nice. Thank you, sir. Oh my God, it's just so unbelievably fast for such a little car. Like, I've driven some pretty fast cars, but this thing is like, it just has this really raw feeling to it that a lot of the faster cars that I've driven don't have. Well, this may not be as fast as those other cars. Like, for example, my friend's C606. That car, 505 horsepower, weighs like 3,100 pounds, if that. That car is definitely faster than my car, and it feels gnarly. But this car, there's just that like raw feeling that it's like, I don't know. It's like having a high horsepower E30. Oh, look at these fine gentlemen. Thank you guys. I love all of you. Having a high horsepower E30 that is just like, it just feels so good. God. And all the download torque of the V8 is so good, because that was a huge issue that I had before with the M20, is I just didn't have enough torque to get out of these corners. But now it's like, oh, it just pulls and pulls and pulls. Oh, what is this? Uh-oh. Don't know what that is. I think that's just wet. Yeah, before I was fighting around all these corners trying to figure out what gear was the best so I had enough torque, but now it's like I can pick a gear and just mash it and I'm good. God, this thing is so gnarly. Whew. Alright, we're at the top, so I'm gonna go straight, then there'll be some nice open straightaways that I'll be able to really stretch the legs on this thing, you know? Oh my God, there are so many cars, holy crap. Alright, time to stretch the legs on this thing. You'd ever want more horsepower in this car. Like this is a lot for this car, but it feels so good. Jesus, the way it just pulls out of corners is crazy. Oh my God. This thing is so gnarly. Oh, there's a lot of people here, holy cow. Woo! Not a whole ton of people. I don't even know where to park. I don't know where I'm gonna park. Alright, so I stopped at Skid, chilled out, met a couple people, and now I think I'm just gonna head back. There's a car meet later tonight that I'm going to show up to, so I'll probably film a couple small things. I don't want to film too much just because it's kind of weird filming at car meets, just because I'm still not the best at talking in front of a camera when there's like a ton of people in front of me. Still feel a little bit like an idiot, but I don't know, maybe I'll get used to it at some point. So yeah, I will pick up the camera when I am ready to go to the meet.
Holy shit.
Yeah, exactly. Are you trying to swap one of these in yours?
No.
That car is this?
I am not sure, to be honest.
Wait, we have to put something in the back. We have to put something in the back.
I've never seen that. But if I run, what's the engine out of? It's like a
285 on a stock.
like a 740.
Yeah.
But that's so sick. That's so crazy.
Yeah.
It's a it's a notchback. It's a 540. Yeah.
Dude, it's V8 swap.
I don't know what that means.
Where are you going?
On that bike, I feel like I'm getting sick. That felt so amazing. You don't even know how to drive it.
So the meet's basically died down. Everyone's left. There's just a few of us. So I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed that TOUGE run. This thing gave a few people rides. Didn't get the reaction because I just wanted to drive the car. But yeah, next video is gonna be me mobbing in Santa Barbara in this thing, and hopefully I don't break down. So I'll see you then.